So you may be wondering, what is it like to work as a pharmacy technician? Pharmacy technicians are the liaison between the public and pharmacists, helping prepare and dispense prescription medications and set up consultations and recommendations. Pharmacy technicians work full and part-time in brand pharmacies as well as pharmacies in grocery stores, local drugstores, and in hospitals. Sound interesting? Here are a few more reasons to pursue a career as a pharm tech with Penn Foster. 1. With a growing demand for prescription medications, this valuable healthcare career is expected to grow by 7% by 2028, faster than average. 2. As part of the Penn Foster Career School coursework, you can apply for an externship at a CVS pharmacy or Walgreens near you. Valuable hands-on training. 3. With interactive courses, easy-to-use technology, and personal coaches to help you succeed, you can complete this program in as few as 9 months. 4. This career diploma program is designed to help you prepare for an industry certification that is in high demand with top pharmacy technician employers. And finally, with certification, you can keep up to date with new medicines and technology, gain a competitive edge on the job market, and get one step closer to a job promotion. Excited to pursue a career as a pharmacy technician? Penn Foster can help you get there with our online Pharmacy Technician Career Diploma program. Our affordable, self-paced, and supportive program will provide you with a strong background and key competencies to help you prepare for an entry-level position working as a pharmacy technician. Enroll in Penn Foster Career School's Pharmacy Technician Career Diploma program today.